Let's take a look at how to check the accessibility on a Microsoft Word document. You'll start by opening the document, then select Review. Next, select Check Accessibility. This opens the Accessibility Assistant on the right-hand side of the screen. Here we can see several errors. We have hard to read text, which is a contrast issue. We have missing alt text and a missing table header. To fix these, select the item, and then it will give you a suggestion. It says try using this color. So I'm going to select that color, and now my hard to read text is visible and I have a check mark. To fix the alt text, I will select that button, and here it's for this image right here. It's a cute little dog with a bone in its mouth. I can either type in my description or I can click Generate Description. So I'm going to click in Generate Description and see what it pops up. Photograph of a small white and tan dog holding a stick in its mouth while standing on grass and dirt. The dog appears playful and focused with a fluffy tail raised and ears hanging down. I think that sounds like a good description, so I will hit Approve. And then it immediately jumps me to my next image to fix. I'm going to skip those for now and go back to the tool by clicking that back arrow. And now I'm going to go to this missing table header that I have right there. So I'm going to click on Missing Table Header, and I want to use that first row as a header, so I will select that button. And now you can see our hard to read contrast has been fixed. We're now only down to 3 images missing alt text, and our tables are fixed as well. So if you have any of these other options that pop up, all you have to do is select them and Microsoft will walk you through getting those fixed. You can check and edit your accessibility in PowerPoint almost the same way as Word. So here I have a PowerPoint open. I will click on Review, then I will select Check Accessibility. Again, that pops open that same accessibility assistant on the right-hand side of the screen, and I can scroll down and see what my issues are. Here I have 31 images that are missing alt text. Again, the same way, I'll select that. It just has a code in there. I will delete that, and then I will hit Generate Description, and that is generating that description on this image right here. There it is, photograph of a golden retriever sitting on the grass in a park. Again, that is a very good description, so I will hit Approve, and then it moves on to the next image. Here it's just a text box that says Getting Started. I could mark it as decorative because that Getting Started doesn't really help with this content. So I'll just show you how to do that. I will mark as decorative, and then it moves down to this next one. That is just a box, not the text. So again, let me go back to here and mark that box as decorative, mark that box as decorative, mark that box as decorative. Then we have the next image and we can continue on. So let's go back to our list and see what else we have. It says we have missing slide title. So this is a slide title. This allows the screen readers to read the slide in the correct order. So I want that as a title, not just larger text. So I will hit Set as Slide Title, and now that is set as a slide title. Then it moves on to the next one, Set as Slide Title, and Approve. Then I would go through all of those to get those set. Let's go back to the document and check the reading order. So this is where the screen readers will read the slide in the order without jumping around to different areas. So if you click check reading order, so first it would read the description of the image, then it would read all about dogs, and then it would read the text in that text box where it says dogs are cherished. So that reading order is good. So I'm going to leave that be, and let's close that out, and we will go back to our checker. And then everything else looks good. Of course, I would go in and fix those other ones, but that is how you check your accessibility in Word and PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.